Hi guys, I am Mohammad Golam Arif and I am a Ballarat University student. My student ID is UB30098278. Today I am going to give a presentation on IT Infrastructure Library, which is shortly known as ITIL, and this is a course requirement for my MIS study. First of all, I would like to introduce ITIL. What is ITIL? ITIL, which is known as Information Technology Infrastructure Library, is a best practice methodology for managing IT services, developed by the UK Office of Government Commerce (OGC). ITIL is the most widely used approach for IT service management in the world and is used by companies including Disney, NASA, HSBC and HP. Now I would like to talk about the history of ITIL. During the late 1980s, the Central Computer and Telecommunication Agency (CCTA) in the United Kingdom started the work on what is now known as ITIL, the Information Technology Infrastructure Library. The large companies and government agencies in Europe very quickly adopt this framework in the early 1990s, just only after 10 years, and it has been since become known as an industry-based practice for IT service management. ITIL has become the de facto standard in delivering IT service for all types of organizations. Both government and non-government organizations benefit from the process-driven approach, regardless the size of the IT department. The reflect of these changes, if refresh project was announced in 2005, the resultant in the redevelopment of ITIL itself. Organization cannot be certified against ITIL. However, it is widely used as a method of preparation for achieving ISO 20000 certification. Now I would like to talk about what ITIL provides. ITIL provides a clear framework for the identification, planning, delivery and support of IT services to an organization. ITIL's core principle is that IT service must be aligned with the requirement of the business and underpin all the processes within the businesses. IT services should be a business driven, facilitating changes, growth and meeting business goals. Now I would like to talk about what are the core titles of ITIL publication. There are 5 core titles of ITIL publication suites, which covers service strategy, service design, service transition and continual service improvement. Let's see what are they. Now I would like to talk about the ITIL qualification for individuals. If anyone interested in ITIL qualification, there are some certification on it. ITIL certification is for individuals and practitioners, is supported by a structure of examination and certifications. There are currently 4 levels of certification, which are foundation level, intermediate level, expert level and master's level. Master's level is the top level of certification on ITIL. Now I would like to talk about the relationship between IT service management and ISO 20000. There is a particular relationship between the various books and guides to ITIL, IT service management and ISO 20000. They are Quality Standard, Introduction to SM based on ITIL, Process and Processes definitions, and these all are for achieving the ISO 20000 series. Although they are integrated, ITIL and ISO 20000 series serve different purpose. Primarily, the ISO 20000 series is to provide an independent best practice standards that is suitable for independent third-party certification audits. The purpose of ITIL is to provide advice on best practice in IT service management. It includes options that may be adopted and adapted by organization according to the business needs, local circumstances, and the maturity of the providers. The ISO 20000 sets the standards that service management processes should aim for. Now I would like to talk about what is ISO or IEC 20000 is. ISO or IEC 20000 is the IT service management standard. ISO 20000 is the denoted name for the ISO version of BS 15000. It was published in December 2005. As with BS 15000, ISO 20000 comprises of two documents. The two documents are ISO IEC 20001 2005 IT Service Management Specification for Service Management, and the second one is ISO IEC 20002 2005 IT Service Management. This is for Code of Practice for Service Management. It is the former of this against which certification is available. Although closely associated with ITIL, ISO 20000 can in fact align with other frameworks as well. Here is a detailed description of that relationship. In this diagram, we can see that the relationship between ISO 20000, ITIL and procedures are divided into four parts. The bottom part is in-house procedures, which is connected with deployment solutions. The next part is ITIL or other frameworks, which is connected with the process definitions. The next one is ISO 20002, which is Code of Practice, and it is directly related with management overview. And the topmost part is ISO 20001, which is specification. Now I would like to talk about the Service Level Agreement, SLS. Service Level Agreements or SLS are the heart of ITIL and are used to describe agreed levels of service between a service provider and a customer, and are applicable both inside or outside of an organization. Now I would like to talk about the benefits of ITIL. There are many benefits of ITIL. Out of them, I will just talk about the topmost 5 benefits. The top 5 benefits are: number 1, IT is proven and used worldwide. Number 2, improve customer satisfaction. Number 3, better reliability and quality of service. Number 4, optimization of service delivery across the supply chain. And number 5, competitive advantage through value creation and agile change. Now I would like to say the other typical benefits which can be achieved by implementing ITIL in an organization. What are the other typical benefits from implementing ITIL in organizations? The other typical benefits are: reduce support cost by 30%, increase incident fixed at fast call by 20%, and increase value from service portfolio with reduces cost and risk, reduction in cycle time for project and change by 30 to 50%, increase success rate of change, and finally reduction in risks from unplanned and late change. Finally, from the above presentation, we came to know that by adopting ITIL services, organizations can focus on delivering value to the customers and quickly adopt changes for the business and IT. And ITIL also reduce risks and cost of an organization. So every organization should go for ITIL methodology for managing IT services. Thanks a lot for listening to me and have a good day. Bye.